Hi guys, welcome to this new video on HTML CSS JavaScript. So what I was actually trying in this video was to try to make a very simple portfolio website for my YouTube channel. I have like a very decent looking static HTML page as well as I have added some style. Obviously this is not going to be the final website how it looks like, but still I was able to to build a very simple web page and link my some of my playlist to it. So I'll show you how you can also do the same, like despite of any profession, if you want to showcase your projects that you have done or hosted on GitHub or YouTube or wherever. So you can also make a very similar looking simple portfolio website with just static page, no, not even JavaScript involved, and showcase it to the world. So once I have the website ready, after that I'll be even showing you how you can host the entire thing on cloud. So quickly let's go to my VS Code and check out the code which I have used to get this thing up and running. I have just two files here. This is the index file. This is the main file where all my HTML code is written. So we have certain sections here. So in VS Code, I can just show you the sections. So we have the main doc type HTML, then we have the HTML, then we have slash closing HTML. We have the header section here. In the header section, there is this title, and also we have linked to the style sheet, that is CSS, because obviously styling is required. You can't just make static pages. The styling in the current website is very basic, but it can be improved. So I'll be improving it as the development goes further. Then in the body section, you see there are three sections. So one is the header section, then the other is the main section, and other is the footer section. So if you see on my website, this is the header section. This part where the above work, contact, everything is written. This is the main section from about to this part, and here this is the footer section. So this is how the main body is divided into three parts. Then inside the header we have just a nav tag here. Nav tag, inside that we have some list, and we have given a href, whenever you click on the about thing, so it will take you to the uh, like the above section in the entire page. So if you see here, we have the about part, right? So we have given a section ID in the main part, that is above. Then we have a contact section ID also. So here is a contact section ID. So whenever somebody clicks on the contact thing, it will take you directly to the contact section. So how it actually works is that if I click on the contact here, it should take me directly to the contact thing. So pretty simple, right? Like there is nothing much involved. Besides that, then we have the main section here. In the main section, I have given some description about myself. Then I have my profile picture here using the image source tag. We give the path to the image, and then we have some work related thing like what are my playlists. So I have just declared all my work that I do usually on YouTube as a link here, so that somebody can visit my website, click on the link, and go to directly to the page. So currently the cards of even the YouTube is very basic. So in the future videos, I will try to add more thumbnails to it also, and try to see how I can actually improve the entire look and feel of the website. And then we have the contact section here. You can contact me through the social media websites, and I have my GitHub and YouTube link here. So if somebody clicks on it, he or she can directly check out my social media accounts. So let me just show you. So here, if I click, it takes you to my YouTube channel, and if I click on my GitHub, it takes you to the GitHub repository. So simple as that. And besides that, there is this style sheet that I have added. So what this style sheet actually does is that you have to just mention the tags that you have declared in the index.html link, the style sheet, and then inside the style sheet you need to write the styles for uh, each and every section. For example, this body section, whatever you write inside the properties of the body section, that will be for the entire body section. Whatever properties you write in the header section, that will be for the entire header section. If you have to specify certainly For header h1, then you need to define the properties separately for it. Then we have properties for the unordered list, we have properties for the list, we have property for other tags like a tag, the main body part, the section h2, and simple properties are written, which actually gives the website a decent look and feel. So that was all that I wanted to show you how you can make your own very simple looking website. And currently it's on local, so we'll try to host it. First of all, I'll try to design a better website, and then we will try to host it on a cloud platform. And yeah, definitely I'll provide you the boilerplate code too. And let's see how can I use my CSS skill to design a better website. So I hope this video has added value to your coding journey. Do try to make your own portfolio website too. And feel free to write share your portfolio website in the comment section below. I will definitely love to check them and even take some ideas for my own. Till then, see you next time.